Recently, Take Stock in Children Seminole scholar Michele Velez was honored in Tallahassee for being chosen as a winner for the Leaders for Life program. Her leadership skills, moral character, and academic success led to her being one of 6 winners. The program helps make college more affordable for lower-income families. Here's what Michele had to say.
The Osofsky Family Foundation has given me life-changing opportunities. First and foremost, not having a financial burden is amazing. I can devote the time needed to my studies without having to worry about a job. In my time outside of studies, I plan to volunteer and become involved in the campus life. Also, I'm very excited about the leadership training and internship opportunities. As I mentioned in the video, I want to pursue a career in nursing. When I volunteered at the hospital, I met a lot of nurses and talked to them about their particular fields. I discovered the extensive number of paths a nurse can take. That is why I want to explore my choices in college. Regardless of the path in nursing that I take, I know I will help others reach their full potential, like Take Stock in Children and the Osofsky Family Foundation have helped me. Thank you.
Michele will attend Florida International University in the fall. Congratulations, Michele.